In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Google Tasks. On a computer in Gmail or Google Calendar, open the Tasks panel from the right-hand sidebar, the small blue checkmark icon. Click it to reveal your task list so you can work inside the same window you already use for email or events. Now, find the main task you want to break down into smaller pieces. This will serve as the parent task. Hover your mouse over it and look for the three-dot menu that appears on the right. Click those three dots to open more options, then select Add a Subtask. A new line appears directly beneath your main task. Type a clear, specific action, something you can finish in one sitting, and press Enter to save it. You'll see that the new subtask is indented under the main task. That indentation is your visual cue that it belongs to the parent. Repeat the Add a Subtask option to list out the remaining pieces of work. Keeping subtasks concise and action-oriented makes it much easier to track progress and reduces the chance of overlooking a step. If you already have a task that should live under another one, there's a quick way to convert it. Drag that task so it sits just below the task you want to nest it under. With it selected, open the three-dot menu again and choose Indent. Instantly, it becomes a subtask of the item above, which is a great way to organize related work without retyping anything. A few helpful reminders as you go. Subtasks always show beneath their parent with a small indent, so your hierarchy stays clear at a glance. You can check off subtasks individually as you complete them, allowing you to see partial progress while keeping the main task open until everything underneath is done. And one important limitation to remember: tasks that contain subtasks can't be set as repeating. If you rely on recurring schedules, plan your subtasks around that, or keep repeating tasks separate from projects that need nested items. That's the process from start to finish. Open tasks in Gmail or Google Calendar, choose your main task, use the three-dot menu to add subtasks, and when you need to nest an existing item, drag it beneath the right task and pick Indent. With subtasks, your to-do list becomes clearer, your workload feels more manageable, and your next steps are always obvious.